Today we're using Elmo's glue and we're making puffy slime. And then this is the other key ingredient: a cup of water, some shaving cream, and some baking soda, and then RENU ice solution. And you can use a bowl and spatula. I'm going to dump all the glue. The next one is water. That's cool. We did the glue, the cup of water, the water and glue. Now we have to so now we're going to do the shooting toss. We got very stick and very hard. And now we have to open the.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now we mix with the spatula for the silicone. It's very cool.
Ồ, sướng vậy.
It smells very good.
Của anh nó cho làm quay phim. Đây là thích quá này.
Look at the silicone.
Nên anh đừng kêu kia.
Very creamy. It smells so like, it smells like perfume. All you need is a little baking soda. So,
Yes, head guys came in front. No! Oh my gosh, I almost
a little pinch of it. And now you just pour all of it.
I'm trying to show happy. No.
And then now you just mix it.
Happy,
It feels like it's not changing, but it looks like it's changing. And it still smells like perfume. It feels like very mushy, so it's kind of hard to do it.
Oh, I'm leaving. Press the button.
Okay, now we're going to do the food coloring. I choose red, but I want a pink, so I put a little bit drops of in this bowl,
Okay, I'm going
and
down.
it turns to pink.
I got.
We're gonna put a little bit in since it's great.
Ow.
Now it turned to pink. Wow.
No, the beaver's gonna go in it.
It looks so cool.
Oh.
Look at this. It's creamy.
Go explode. No.
Now we are done shaking it to pink. We have to use the RENU
Eye solution.
I'm in the air. I'm just gonna hide up here.
We're just gonna put a little
You
bit.
can't do anything. I don't have anything.
Okay, stop.
All my
And then you
stuff.
can feel it.
That's a lot
Because
of
you want to add only little by little.
It feels so good.
Can you tell?
Look, it's getting slow to drip.
There you go.
When I put like the RENU's conditioner, it feels so wavy now. Look at this. So we gotta keep adding this until like
Adding the eye solution, you have to keep adding it,
Oh,
right?
no, they exploded.
But what you have to
They
do is add it
exploded.
slowly
No.
each time.
and then it creates
I'm
this
gonna hide.
wavy thing. It's very
Now you
hard.
can start using your hands.
There's a creeper coming after you.
Oh my! It feels so good.
How does it feel?
It feels so wavy
Oh, you
and
didn't
so
look at
soft.
It's
Softer,
like fluffy slime, right?
Damon, what are you doing?
softer than like stuffies. It feels so weird.
What am I doing?
not
He's
even.
gonna go
Okay,
fly by. I'm gonna.
look at this. This is so satisfying. You can do this. And it's so soft. Like, when you have a mess, you wrap it up.
Creeper keeps coming, making them
Gets
come
stuck,
over.
kind of. It's so
Ooh, do that for me?
satisfying.
Hey!
And so
Back
soft.
and forth. Back and
I got a legendary.
All right.
Bye.